Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out on Facebook Messenger. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Click on the menu button which appears on the top right corner of your screen. Go to Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings from the drop-down. Tap Account Center. Go to Password and Security and select Where you're logged in. Under the Where you're logged in section, look for the device you want to sign out of Messenger and tap Log Out. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.